Hello guys, oh god. Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Cornish Craft. Today, weird glitches have happened. I don't understand, but weird glitches have happened. I'm just gonna go put these all away, grab my diamond sword which I got as a gift from, wait, have you got a gift for me? Ooh. Diamond axe, nice. Books, thank you. Give me steak, thank you. You don't have a gift for me. Oh yeah, because you're the one who gave me the diamond sword. More steak. Oh yeah, you gave me something, I think. Coal, right. That's also a weird glitch. Oh, does that villager have a baby? Oh, look at it. Look at it. That's so cute. I really need to sort out. Wait, is this normal? I need to put like a villager spawner under here. Oh god. Now we'll have more villagers spawning around, and it'll be good because we're running out of villagers and we need more villagers. Wait, are you following me? No. Okay, let's get to sleep. And now we're awake. You guys should really stop glitching out, okay? Abby, calm down. Alex, calm down. Aiden, calm down. Abby, Alex, and Aiden. Oh, I didn't realize the A's. There should be more villagers spawning. Yep. Nice to see villagers. You're new. Aha, nice. New people every day. I'm doing just fine. I hit my tail when I wake up though, but you were sleeping there. Oh, hi. No, follow me. Stay here. Get. Stay here. You are married to Nico. You're married to Montana. You're Montana. You're Nico. That's your baby girl. I wonder who you name her. Good choice of names. Use good choices. Carla, this is your guard station. I will be getting Decacraft, and yeah, we'll be able to add things in like parks and more detailed graves. We need to get a pet, don't we? What do you think about dog? Dog? Okay. Sorry about cheating and bones, but I'll go get a dog. You, mining, diamond door, start. They're so annoying. Here, inventory. Take this diamond pickaxe. Work. Stop. Work. Mining. Start. I can't. Hunting mode. Tame. Start. There's no coal nearby. Okay, so stop. inventory, take these bones, take this diamond sword just in case. Work, hunting, mode tame start. Fine, follow me, and you can move freely, I say. Go, move. You're hunting. Seriously? Stop. I'll just use this dirt to get out, and I'll bring you to a hunting spot. Creeper. Okay, no mobs should be around here. If I move you here, you can explore from here. Hey, come here. Hey, okay. Work. Hunting. Dart. Go. You're meant to be taming. Hey there. You're meant to be taming. Oh, seriously. Hold on a sec. I'm gonna sort out this. God. So, I guess my son is deciding to be a naughty boy. He's not gonna do anything that I tell him to. Here, wolf! Oh my gosh, there's a wolf here. Hey, come here. Tame it, tame it, tame it. Do your magics. And tame it. I think you tamed it. Give me some fish. You have some fish in your inventory, right? Here you go. Oh my gosh. To see a wild ocelot out here. That's stunning. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? It went behind the tree and disappeared. Guys. Son, inventory, have half my fish here. We had no sudden movements. And you tamed. Okay, I'll give you 8 and I'll have 7. Come on. Oof, Wolfie, Wolfie. Come on. Why are you saying hey there? Let's go back to the village. Oops. Let's go back to the village. There should be more wolves, or a wolf, I hope, along the way. There's got to be at least one more wolf, right? Come on, they don't just spawn in ones, they spawn in packs. Probably walked away from its pack. Anyway. Ow, are you okay? Where'd our cat and our dog go? Doggles. I just realised this tree is cut off. There's a dog. Woofy, woofy, woof. Where's the cat? Did I leave the cat behind? Please don't say I left the cat behind. Really? Cats don't want to teleport. Please don't say there's like a chest out here and you've gone and sat on it. Oh, come on. Cat. Dogs. Dogs and cat. Where'd my cat go? I'm gonna trace my steps. Kit, kitty, 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 kitty. It couldn't have died of full damage because cats don't die of full damage. They don't take damage from that because they're cats. And so we need to find the cat. Where's the cat? Come on, cat. It's got to find a cat somewhere. Where's my cat gone? Really? My cat's probably died in lava, or my wolf killed it, or something. Oh my gosh, we need to get you home. Son, home, now. But he probably wants to carry on doing his hunting. Well, no, tough luck. You're not dying on me. Oh god, hello, everybody? Anybody home? Cat, you came home? We'll find Cat one day. Maybe she's like up there or something. We'll find Cat, don't worry, kids. Oh, Azure. Azure? Not Azure. Let me go get in and get it. Blue dye. You. So you're blue dye. I want a different, pink or magenta from my garden. You teleported home! Why is there a random stranger in my bed? Get back. Oh my gosh. Anyway, lilac, magenta. Hey, you're my magenta dog. Anyway, I'll open the door so you can get in. Come here. Oh my daughter. I just pushed my daughter. Get, push yourselves in. There. Hello. Oops. Interact, kiss. This is really awkward because she's just sitting there. Okay, guys. We'll end off the episode there. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Where's my stop button? Bye.